Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to show you how you can invite website editors and co-editors and designers to your website project on framer.com. So let us dive into this. So head over to the framer.com website designing app, either via the web version or through the desktop app. Next, select your workspace in the top left by clicking into its name. Hover your mouse over all workspaces and select the one you would like to go with. And then guys, once inside the given workspace, what you want to do is click into invite to workspace here. And in this section of your workspace settings, click into invite, select workspace, and there are two options guys. You can either invite someone via an invitation link by clicking into this button here. So it works almost the same way as on most other website editors and designers. You can also ask framer.com to generate a new link, for example, and use that. Or you can invite someone via email by entering the recipient's email address here, select the role like admin, editor, viewer, and so on and so forth, and click into invite here to send the invitation to join you in your workspace on Framer to work with you on your website projects. That's how it works. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and I'll see you next time.